With my experience as a software engineer, I realized that sharing your ideas and knowing how to share them is crucial for your growth. When I was younger, I thought that I'm not creative because if you cannot draw or play music, everybody is telling us that. Now I think I'm more than creative and I'm full of ideas, even in design, for example. Everybody is an idea generator, so you just have to redefine your state of mind and rediscover your hidden abilities. So now we will see why to share each one of your ideas, how to share them, and what is my most effective way for sharing ideas. Have you ever wondered how to grow faster as a software developer? Have you thought about why you are not completely valued, best paid, or your opinion is not taken seriously? Have you dreamed about shine positions and good money? My name is Vladimir Georgiev and I will attain that for you. Get out loud and share your ideas. You can be the best software developer in the team, but if you don't share your ideas, nobody will understand it. Probably you already see that the loudest guys get all benefits. So you have to share your ideas. This is how it works. Your idea doesn't have to be perfect and there is no dummy idea. You may think that your idea is dummy, but in reality to be the best idea. There is another reason to share your ideas. If you share your idea, you have the chance to work on it, and when you work on your own ideas, you'll be more satisfied. Actually here, if you're a lead, for example, embrace and develop your team's ideas. This is one way to keep them motivated to work on them. When you have an idea, you have to spend a little bit of time on it. What I mean? When I was junior, I went to a conference and I heard about some new fancy technology. Then I returned back to the office and I said, "Hey guys, I have a great idea. Let's implement this new technology. It's so cool, it's so powerful." And my manager looked at me and said, no. After some time, I understood why my ideas have been rejected, and it is because of three things. When you have an idea, you have to do three things. You have to prepare for it, you have to prepare how to sell it, you have to plan how to do it, and you have to execute it. If you don't follow these three things, you will not be taken seriously when you have ideas. Very soon we are going to open 10x Software Engineer Mentoring. If you are wondering how to get a promotion, salary raise, or have another goal in your software engineering career, we can help you achieve your dreams faster. If you feel stuck at work and not learning anything new, we can help you as well. We are building a system for your software engineering growth. Read the information on the page and apply it if you want to be mentored by me and my partner, which is one of the veterans in the industry. The application form will take you less than 5 minutes. So hope to see you soon and keep in mind that the spots are limited. When you prepare your idea, first you have to think about which is your audience. Are you selling your idea to the developers? Are you selling it to product people or to managers? For example, if you're selling your idea to developers, you have to talk about technical depth, unit tests and some technical stuffs. When you sell it to the manager, for example, you have to talk about team performance, delivery time and things like that. So you have to talk to the language of others and what is important for them. Make something like cost-benefit analysis. So write down what are the benefits, what are the drawbacks, and how much time it will be needed for this idea. And even if you don't know what is the cost, the manager can calculate it based on the time. When you present your idea, don't argue, because you're showing that you're right and others are wrong. You know everybody wants to be right, so they will try to prove you're wrong. Instead of arguing it with others, try to find similarities in your ideas. This is the successful approach. You can try another approach which is more advanced to lead others with questions and guidelines to your idea. this way they will think that the idea is there, but actually it is yours. You can see how the ideas are presented. Most of the people use only their verbal communication, and you can see in others how they are not understood. Last 2-3 years, when I present something, every time I draw on the whiteboard, I write down everything on the whiteboard, and I can see in others how they are understanding what I'm talking about. But they're not understanding what I'm talking about, they're understanding what I draw and what I write down. The people said, one picture, 100 words. So use it in your benefit. The second thing is to make a plan how to execute your ideas, so everybody from your team to be able to execute it. Also, this will give you some proof of concept. The third thing is to execute it. You have to execute your idea. When you have some idea, when you successfully sold your idea, you have to execute it, because otherwise you will not be taken seriously, and the people will say, oh, the guy with the idea, but without the balls to execute it. Hey you, are you still here? If you like what I do, please help me with subscribe, share, like, write me a comment what do you think, or tell me what do you want to discuss next time.